This guy's been cool sealing this place and cool sealing it to the point where he's just tired of it. So we are headed to Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, tomorrow morning. And we're gonna do that job. And then when we come back, we have one in Holden Beach to do, and we have this one here to do, and actually another one in Virginia whenever the guy calls me and says, let's go, or excuse me, West Virginia. So be watching our travel videos, and there is a link down below that will show any videos that we traveled on, which are a bunch. New Jersey, Ohio, New York was just a fun trip while we was in New Jersey. We've been there twice though. Ohio, Kitty Hawk, Alabama, Tennessee. Jesus, the list goes on. If you check out my videos, our travel videos, we do travel within 10 hours, but I just wanted to give you a preview. This is gonna be the one that will be. And like I say, the guy found me on YouTube. He walked through his roof one time, and it's been leaking for years. They ran some vinyl siding on this thing. We're definitely gonna have to be doing some work here, but he ran vinyl siding on this, and he just butted it up underneath the gutter. So if you're gonna put vinyl siding on your house, the last thing you want to do is butt it to this little tiny gutter, because then what do you have? The water that comes off here flows into the gutter, and then it comes over the gutter and goes right there. So all the way down around your house, and we've checked a few places, and in his weep holes in the siding, water is running down the wall, mostly on the back side, but water is going inside of here. So obviously he was trying to wonder what he could do for a better roof here. So what he decided was, watching our videos, that he'd like that overhang right here, that 6-inch overhang, drop down with our fascia, come back with our boxing all in one piece, put a turn bar right down through here. That thing will look so finished and pretty, it won't even be funny. So if you want to see, coming soon to a neighborhood near you. Marking our marks, doing our thing. He's putting interior, what do they call them things? The little drain things, vent pipe, yeah, little inside vent. Inside vent pipes, yeah, under the sink vent pipe type things, huh? Yeah. Ventless, yeah, he's gonna use the ventless so it doesn't vent through the roof. It vents on the underneath of the sink. This thing he doesn't use anymore. Oh yeah, nice. I wonder if we could save that thing. Doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. And I've known a lot of people that need them. If not, it makes a good piece of scrap metal. Scrapping with Grandpa. Check out my channel. All right, everybody. This, if you notice, this mobile home does not have a pitch on it. It's a little rounded thing. A lot of people ask me, well, when you're putting plywood up there, why don't you just go ahead and add shingles? You can't add shingles unless you have a pitch on a roof like that. See, if you don't have a pitch, if your roof doesn't look like that, you can't put shingles on it. And that is actually probably the lowest pitch that you could put shingles on. Anything less than that would be a bad deal. So unless your mobile home has that pitch, that or greater, you're gonna have to put rubber roofing. Some people are able to put metal roofing on these things. I've never done it, but I can say that I have been back to metal roofs that were done like that, and they leaked. I've actually tore them off. So we did on this one, has a little bit of a hump. You can't pop a straight line on a hump, so you have to mark there, there, and there. And then you pop a line from there to there, and from there to there, and that will keep you on the centers of your rafters, so that when you're putting your plywood on, not only do you have something to screw your ends down to, but something to pull your measurement to, so you can easily pull a measurement. Paul right now is working on setting up the overhang, and the overhang is also very And yeah, it's very important. So he's letting it hang over 5.5, 6 inches, whatever you want to do, and then make your 4-foot mark. And that's going to be our first sheet of plywood with the overhang. And we'll pop that all the way down through here. Okay. Looking good, TJ. Looking good. Uh-oh. Yeah, let me get a hold of it, would you? Yeah, be careful stomping. Oh, my camera looks so dark. It's break time. I'm ready for break. Got one more run right there to put on. And we're gonna throw the 2x4s on. Throw some rubber up here for the night. Call it a day. Come back tomorrow. Well, we might do a little more today. We'll see what. All right, day 1 in the books. Like always, we generally just get the plywood on, the fascia boards on, sub-fascia 2x4s, and everything ready for gluing down in the morning. So we'll come in here in the morning, and they'll start gluing down while me and Paul will be down there making fascia metal. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification so they notify you when we put our next video out, so you don't miss anything. This is something that anybody can do on your house or your grandmother's house, or your mother's house. This right here, to me, this is somebody's house. And preserving a house, this will just add years and years and years to the life of their house and the enjoyment that they'll get out of it. So I just feel great when I can help somebody. And that's really why a lot of people say, why you work on mobile homes? I love them. I like them. I feel like I'm doing a justice. I do. I really do. I feel like I'm doing justice to these places. And I like helping people out. I mean, these people might not be millionaires. This might be their vacation house, and maybe they are millionaires. I don't know, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm adding life to this house, and I think that's that's conserving. You know, I mean, conserving. It's like recycling. If you recycle something, this is better than recycling. This is making this thing last way into its life. So a lot of more years this place will get, and that's why I do it, everybody. So if you're watching my videos and you wonder why I work on these things and think, yeah, he could make more money someplace else, I probably could. I don't care. I'm not out for the money. I'm out for the enjoyment. I enjoy doing this, and I'm out for the pleasure, just the pleasure of satisfying people and the feeling they get when they go down to their vacation house or their everyday house and they're not leaking when it rains. They don't have to think about where they're going to put their pot out. So I don't mean pot, I mean like pot for the water, to catch the water. So yeah, I mean, you know, where are they going to put it? Where's it going to leak tonight? And it's all according to how hard it rains, I guess, to where it's going to leak. So that's done. Them days are over with, and this is what I like to do. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and who knows, maybe we'll meet someday and I'll put a rubber roof on your house. We have been quite a few places, so quite a few places. Check out our playlist. Ohio, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach.